Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. I'm so excited to see you tomorrow. Say happy Halloween. Say, Grandma, I can't wait till you come over tomorrow. I'm so excited. Are you excited to see your Grandma? Can you follow the camera? Yeah. Are you happy, girl? Is this your fussy time, but you're holding it together? Yeah. Tell your Grandma what you did today. Did you read your first books? Were you reading a board book and laughing at the pictures? Were those horsies funny? Yeah. And also, when you were taking a bath, did you get kisses? Did you open your mouth for kisses? Can we show Grandma? Can you open your mouth? Oh, getting a kiss. It's very hard to show, but say, now I open my mouth for kisses. What are you going to do with Grandma when she comes? You going to give Grandma a kiss? Yeah. Are you excited to see her? Are you excited to see Grandma? Yeah. Can you wait? It's so exciting. You like my outfit the French teacher gave me? It's so cute. Are you so excited? What else do you want to tell her? You want to say, Grandma, you read me some board books when you come? And show me more animals? And give me kisses? Okay, I want to say wave. Say hi, Grandma. Can't wait to see you. Say love you. Want to give it a kiss? Want to give the camera a kiss? Oh, it's really scary. Yeah. Say I love you, and I'm going to try to not be too fussy tonight. I'll be really good when you come over tomorrow. Okay. Say bye. Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you smile for Grandma? No smile. Say wait till you see the real thing. Okay, say love you.